Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best paper airplane, and the only supply you will need is a sheet of paper. The first step will be folding your paper in half long ways. That way we can get an even line down the middle. Just like that. Open it back up and you can start with the left corner by folding the edge into the middle line and flattening it out. Doing the same with the other side till it touches the middle and flattening it out. The next step will be to fold this part down just about that far, and you can see where I folded it. It's just right here. So you'll fold that down, flatten it out. You'll go back to the left corner, bring it into the middle, flatten the edges. Same with the other side, into the middle, and flatten the edge. You will now get this little part and flip it up so that it covers where the two edges meet in the middle. After this step, you're going to flip your paper airplane over and you will get the left side and fold it completely to the other edge. Again, you can flatten it out. Next, you will get this edge of the paper airplane and fold it back to the other edge. Flatten it out. Flip your paper airplane over. Get this edge and flatten it to the other edge. Then, there you have it, a perfect paper airplane.